What's up mga ka-Wonder? Welcome back to another episode of Wonder with Jomar. Guess where we are? Andito tayo ngayon sa South Korea.
Wondery Jomar!
South Korea version.
안녕하세요, Jomarshi. nananliamnida. Welcome to Korea.
Ano? Anyong sayo? Anyong ina?
안녕하세요.
Anyong hasayo. Bakit kanina pa tayo ganun ng ganun?
In Korea, bowing sa showing respect. It's a key part of our daily interactions.
Kumbaga sa amin, pagmamano, bawo lang yung sa inyo.
Exactly, Jomar. You are learning a lot. This is hanbok, our traditional clothing. We wear it during occasions like weddings and holidays.
Parang ganun din sa amin. Parang barong ensaya na sinusunod kapag formal.
Would you try it on?
No, kami sabi ka. Thank you.
There's always next. Now that you've learned about hanbok, let's practice some simple Korean phrases.
In Korea, we say 안녕하세요 to greet someone. Some other words are 감사합니다, 주세요, 미안해요, 몰라요, 네, 아니요, and 괜찮아. So, make sure to keep these words in mind so the next time you visit Korea, you can communicate with the people there.
Miamida, I think I've been saying a lot. And how about I love you? How do you speak that in Korea?
We say saranghaeyo when expressing our love for someone.
Sarangyo. Nice. Sarangyo. Mianyo. Sorry.
괜찮아.
You're so pretty.
Huh? No English, Korean only. I'm sorry to interrupt this moment, but sir, we still have to catch a performance. It's a huge part of Korean culture. Groups like BTS and Blackpink are known worldwide. But since they are too busy right now, I have these two talented people to show you why K-pop massive hit to everybody.
K-pop? Alam ko yun kaso ba't ang hirap gayahin ng mga sayaw nila?
아빠 상어 뚜루루뚜루
Certified ako ng round 10, bakit ko si Aaron!
Jomarshi, it was a pleasure showing you around. I hope you enjoyed exploring our culture.
Sobra. Thank you, Lian. I've been learning a lot more than I expected.
We say annyeong for both hello and goodbye. But in casual, we say annyeong haseyo when you're leaving someone behind.
Anyong biyasayo? Huh? Anyong biyasayo? Got it.
Great job, Jomarshi. Safe travels. I hope to see you soon back in Korea.
Anyong biyasayo. Till next time. Mga ka-Wonder, I hope you had fun to exploring South Korea with me. Diba? Ang daming matututunan. Ang daming kailangan i-explore. So, stay tuned sa mga videos na gagawin natin. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you!
Wonder with Jomar.